beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is AudreyAnn and I post girly fashion and beauty videos and vlogs. So it's been a long time since I've actually done a sit down video other than vlogging. If you didn't know, I recently moved to Florida and over a month of videos has been just moving stuff. So we finally are going to be doing a normal girly sit down video. This time I'm opening a girly box. So this is the Kimmy Luxe Dolls girly box, and I ordered the October one, but the reason it's now November and I've just got it is not at all Kimberly's fault. It's literally not her fault at all because I moved. The addresses were how do I say this? Obnoxious. It was kind of annoying with all the addresses, but she was literally so nice through it all. Like, she was super chill and she was super calm about it and patient, and she helped a lot, so I'm very grateful for that. But without further ado, let's open the box. So if you don't know what a girly box is, it's basically a mystery box. You answer a survey and she goes personal shopping for you and you have no clue what's in it. So I'm excited. I'm super excited. I had no clue what's in here. I watched one review and I know there's a card with all the things in it, but I don't want to find that card, so hopefully, crossing my fingers, it's probably at the top, but hopefully not. Look how pretty this box is though. It has a little bow, it has little words, and it's like that over here as well. And then it has the top. Super cute, so let's just open it. All right. Oh good, it's wrapped. Oh my gosh, thank goodness. Tell me, is there a little list of things with prices and stuff? Yeah. Okay, so I don't want to look at that. Thank goodness my sister's here. So we have a little card. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. When you first open the box, it is all wrapped up. There's so many things. I got the classic box, which was $20. There's also the, I know there's a Luxe box, and then there's like another one. I don't know. There's a $20 one, which is what I got, a $50 one, and then maybe like 75 or something in that area. I'm not sure. This is my first girly box I've ever gotten, so I've literally ran into this. Dear Luxe Doll, thank you for allowing me to be your personal shopper. I hope you love the, oh, confetti. I hope you love the items I picked for you this month. I hope to shop for you again next month. Remember, you are fabulous. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. There's a little box, so we're gonna open this first. Oh my gosh, confetti! Okay, so got a little box. I'm interested in what this is, so. Thank you for purchasing a phone case from my luxury phone case collection. Oh my gosh, I got a phone case. Oh my gosh. 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 So I have this really cute pink phone case with the Chanel symbol on it. And it has my name on the bottom. I'm screaming. I needed a new phone case. Oh my gosh, I'm putting this on right now. Dude, but these phone cases are so expensive. I needed a new phone case so badly. I literally want like all of Kimmy's stuff. She has such a cute shop. It's literally so cute. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. That's so pretty. This is so pretty. It's such nice quality. It's very sturdy. Okay, so that's really awesome. This is so exciting. So now we're gonna open this little, I don't know what this is. Okay, what is this? This is, okay, obviously some type of makeup. Is this blush? Like cream? Oh my gosh, it's blush. I needed some. Now we have this little like really pretty pink blush. This is a blush from a company called Flower Beauty. It's called Tickled Pink. It's a powder to cream blush. What? What is that? All right, so I have the blush and a brush. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can tell, but this is like really pretty. Ooh. Oh, wow, this is like really pigmented because I kind of put on too much. But oh my gosh, okay, well this is obviously gonna last me a while because it's very pigmented. I have to like use like barely any. I think I put too much blush on, but. Oh my gosh, okay, well that's really exciting. So yeah, this is the Flower Beauty Tickled Pink Transforming Touch Powder to Cream Blush. Let's see, I think I see some earrings, possibly, so. Oh my gosh, I'm literally screaming. I'm going to obviously get everything from here. I needed some Chanel earrings, like fake Chanel, because I'm cheap, right? So we have these cute little CC the earrings, obviously they're not Chanel because like copyright. Oh my god. I'm so excited to wear these. I'm not gonna, well, should I put them on right now? Yes, I should. I haven't worn earrings in so long and I'm probably gonna start wearing them. Oh my gosh. Oh, those are so cute. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. Let's see what this little long thingy is. Oh, I needed one of these. A large powder brush, which I actually really needed. So this is gonna be, oh my gosh. Okay, well that's exciting. I needed one, so that's very good. Okay, oh, candy. Oh my gosh. Okay, well we have a little pink lollipop. And also, my camera's dying, so just give me a second. Okay, now that we got my camera battery back in, we're gonna open the last thing. Oh my gosh, that's really cute. Okay, so we have these little like cute like pink earmuffs. How do you put these on? How do you do like this? Okay, well that's really cute. So that'll be like really cute for Instagram because it's like really pink and everything. Being in Florida now, it won't be cold enough to wear this. Okay, well, oh, hang on, wait, there's a card. Okay. Starbucks! Yes! Okay, so she does these little like, I don't know how she does it, but she does pink Starbucks gift cards. Look at how cute that is. I don't know how she does it. She even does blinged out ones, like adds like diamonds on it. Okay, well that's so exciting. 10 Starbucks dollars. Wait, oh, it's reloaded too. I can reuse it. Oh, yay, well that's exciting. It's so cute. It has a little like Louis Vuitton inspired pattern. Super cute. Well, oh yeah, I got it. Okay, well, wow. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's do a little quick overview of what I got. Okay, the phone case, this was $55. So the phone case was $55. Immediately, I'm like shocked because I paid $20 for this. The phone case was $55 and then the Louis Vuitton inspired Starbucks gift card was $40, and then the blush was $24, and then we have the brush, which was $7, and then the earrings, which was $45, and then the earmuffs, which was $3. This is so cute! Oh my gosh, I'm screaming. Okay, wow. Wait, does that show the total? So I got the classic $20 girly box, and the total of all the things in my box was $164. Okay, well that was like so exciting. I'm so glad that I got this. I wanted one of these boxes for a very long time and I'm so happy that I got it. I am so overwhelmed by all the pink in my room right now. Okay, so that was the entirety of my girly box. Those were all the things in my October girly box. I will have this box linked below. Also not sponsored, I just am so excited. I'll have the link to her website down below and you can find the girly box. I think she did the November girly boxes, which are already sold out, but definitely get the December ones. I'm sure there's going to be like the best Christmas present. The majority of this stuff I think is from her website. She sells like phone cases and earrings obviously, and she also has a new jacket and she sells purses and boots, and it's like, honestly, I would like to have everything. So yeah, those were all the things in this box. Totally go check it out if you want to. Highly suggest. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. This was so exciting, opening everything in this box. It's actually not in this box anymore, but I'm holding it up for props. It was so exciting to open everything, and she definitely is so good at picking out things. I'm so excited to use all this stuff. So that is all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video and you like these kinds of videos, feel free to subscribe down below to become part of our royal family and turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my videos. My Instagram is at @AudreyAnn, so if you feel like it, you can follow me on there as well. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye. Bye.